smoke.
They already know.
Popping off, I'm going coast to coast. Yeah, popping off, I'm going.
Gotta go. Hey, tell them bitches they could hit the road. They already know they don't want smoke. Popping off, I'm going coast to coast. I ain't telling you what you already know.
You already know, lock it and load, I'm down to roll. Speaking my truth cause that's the code. Snakes in the grass, I'll have to mow. Stop being so predictable, I can run up like every interval. Before you even knew what hit you, bro. 25-piece combo critical. Gotta go.
Hey, tell them bitches they could hit the
fucking road, Jack. Don't come back from start to cap. Talk about girls on every track and how they don't ever text you back. Like, oh, so sad, but who that's facts? Got me like Urkel, I did that. Keeping it real and back to back. I'm keeping it real on every track. Feeling like J. Cole, minus the minus. Bow down and kiss the ring, call me your highness. Back on my second wing, don't realign this. All of these rappers just seem to be spineless. Ooh, that's timeless, far from righteous. Little hard to digest, but I digress. Bring me no stress. If you ever do, well, then you gotta
go. Hey, tell them bitches they could hit the road. They already know they don't want smoke. Popping up, I'm going coast to coast. I ain't telling you what you already know.
Yeah, what you already know, yeah. What you already know, yeah.
What you already know.
I ain't telling you what you already know. See, this would be the part where I would like throw in some cool, catchy bridge thing, but I think I'll just cut it one more fucking time for y'all.
Gotta go. Hey, tell them bitches they could hit the road. They already know they don't want smoke. Popping off, I'm going coast to coast. I ain't telling you what you already know.
Lit up with the lyrics, love to the kids, what I'm hearing. If you ain't got, I don't fear it. I want applause and the cheering. Just dreaming, let it set in. I'm seeking some sentence. Some people seeking a sentence. I'm only speaking a sentence. So people see in my presence. Somebody give me $1. Somebody give me a second. She say, your baby go harder. I tell her, give me a second. Then I just take me a second. She say I'm killing it, I'm really feeling it now that you mention it. I used to question it, all of my dreams, and now I just go get the shit. Flex on my exes until they upset again. Underdog shit finna be and upset again. Over they head again, where are you headed? They're sleeping and dreaming, I'm just like the rest of them. I'm just like the rest of them.
Needing my lighter, man, where is that shit again? I drop a hit, then a kick, then a hit again. Bitches ain't Tetris, I'm not into fitting in. Bring the beat back because I'm for the spit again.
Middle fingers in the air for the powers that be. It's two fists up in the air if you come stepping to me. Yeah, the arsenal for bars, be as wide as